Hi everyone, it's your favorite influencer here, and I have something for you today that I just found out. Oh, don't you like my new sunglasses? It's so nice for my hot girl walks. And so this is a Galaxy Note 9, and now I have an iPhone too, but like this is my old Note 9, and sometimes I use it to take pictures on my hot girl walks. And so so what you can do is you can take the SD card out of it. I found out how to do that. So here's what you can do. You take your old box. Did you save your old box? I save my old box. I save my boxes from like phones and things like that. I have a nice little shelf where I arrange them and that sort of thing. And then inside you have this little tool. See this little tool? And you take this little thing out like this. And I found out there's this hole in the top. I didn't know what the hole was for. So you put the little thing in the little hole like this. And then, oh, it's not working. It never works when I'm on camera. I don't understand why. I don't understand these things. Maybe it's because I'm wearing my sunglasses. And then, my hot sunglasses that I take on my hot girl walks. See how it goes in there? And then you press like that. Look, it popped out. It's so cute and adorable. And it comes out like this. And there's your SIM card. And there's your SIM card. And there's your SD card. Oh, and my SIM card fell out. I don't know how to put that back in. And there's your SD card. And then you can take this out and all your little pictures from your hot girl walks around here. And you can put them on your computer and you can share with all your friends. Okay, great. Thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.